Your iPhone apps are refusing to update, especially because of Apple's payment method issues, and you seem not to be able to do anything about it. So you end up deleting your apps. Now there's a fix to this. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a simple step-by-step trick to be able to go about this without deleting your apps and without using any payment method. Now make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video for more tips like this. And make sure to watch this video to the end. Let's get into the video. Most people do this mistake. Because they are unable to update a certain app, they end up deleting the app. Now, this action can only make you lose all the data on that particular app. There's a smarter way to go about this. Now, open your iPhone settings and click on General. Now, click on iPhone Storage and scroll down and tap on that app that is giving you problems. That particular app you are not able to update. Maybe Instagram or WhatsApp. Now, when you tap on the app you want to update, let's say Instagram, you're going to see two options: offload app and delete app. Now tap on offload app. What this does is it's going to remove the app itself but keeping the app's data intact. Now after that, you're going to see a new option: reinstall app. Now tap on reinstall app and boom, your app refreshes, installs clean, and in most cases updates to the latest version without you losing anything inside it. How cool is this? Now, if this tip was helpful, I want you to subscribe to this channel and like this video for more tips like this. I'll see you in the next one.